Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. You are watching the email writing series and we have reached the day 8. In the previous video you learned how to approach email writing section in exams. It's the part 2 of that series in which you are going to see more examples. I hope you understood how to approach. You just have to see the examples in the further videos. Let's see the first example. This example is about a company who is doing a good business and is expanding. Now the company is relocating and you have to draft a mail using a given set of phrases to your customer informing the change in address. Now they have given you a set of phrases, you just have to draft a mail. The phrases are, as you can see on the screen, near Outer Ring Road, shifting to a bigger office, November 10, change in telephone number, new address is provided, 4th floor, Cessna Business Park. I hope you understood the outlines. Now let's see what a mail you can draft. Dear all, in the first paragraph, you are going to tell them that you are very much happy for the expansion of the company and you have to inform that the company is shifting to a new place. For a better productivity result, we are relocating the company and shifting to a bigger office, and you have to mention the date in this line. In the next paragraph, you have to mention the new address and end it with the line that please make a note of this to serve our clients better. Thanks and regards, your name, your designation, and your contact number. I hope you understood this example. Let's get to the second example. These examples have already come in some examinations, and we are just solving and getting an overview of how to solve these questions. The second question is about a person that you are a supplier, you have to write a mail to a manager of a particular company because their payment is due. You have to write him in a very polite way. There are no phrases given, you have to make your own phrases here. Now, what would be the phrases? On time, delivery of goods, 3 months, credit period, overdue payment, earliest, long standing relationship. Now, in the previous question, you saw the outlines were given by the examiner. In this, you just have to draft your outlines yourself. Now, see what a mail I have drafted. Hi, Mr. Malhotra. In the first paragraph, you have to thank him for being a valued customer and you have to praise him for what he is. You are a valued customer of our company for a very long time and we appreciate doing business with you. You have always made on time payment of the delivery of goods, but recently we have observed an extreme delay in the payment. Now, in the starting, you praised him for being such a great customer. Then, slowly, you have to mention that you observed an extreme delay. Moreover, the 3 months credit period is also over, and still the payment is overdue. Now, request him to make payment for the goods delivered to him at the earliest. We are looking forward to the payment at earliest and a long standing relationship in doing business with your company. I hope you understood the last line that you have to mention very politely that you have to make a long standing relationship with them in the future also. So you look forward to the payment. At last, you have to mention thanks and regards, Sameer. Just your name. I hope you understood both the examples I told you in this video. If you have any queries related to this video or any other video, contact our email ID that is notover@gmail.com. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned with Nursery to Varsity.